How to change your username on Threads. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Threads application, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is it will lead you to your homepage. So on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. You will see home, search, create or post a thread, a notification, and your profile icon. Tap on that and it will lead you to your profile section. Now, the next thing that you want to do is if you ever tap on edit profile here, since you want to change your username, you will see your username here and it's locked. Now, if you try to tap on that, your name is linked to your Instagram account, so you cannot change it here. So by that, it means you have to go to your Instagram application here. And here is where you can change your username. So tap on edit profile here and change your username here. Let's say this username and tap on done on the upper right. And just wait for it and then tap on done. So what you want to do next is to just refresh everything and go back here to threads and go back here to your profile. And now here you have successfully changed your username. And basically that is how you change your username on Threads, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.